Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create email template in Salesforce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Salesforce, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating email templates in Salesforce allows you to standardize and streamline your email communications, ensuring consistency and efficiency in your outreach efforts. But you have to realize that email templates save time by providing predefined content that can be quickly customized for individual recipients or specific campaigns. Now, this is very efficient and handy and particularly beneficial for repetitive or routine communications. Now, what I want you to do is, now here, I need you to click on the cog icon setting here, the quick access, and go to setup. Now, once you're here on the quick find, you can type in email. You see, there's going to be a lot of options. There's the classic email templates, classic letterheads, and a lot more. But of course, we're going to click on the new email template or classic email templates. Now, obviously here, all I'm going to do is select one of the email templates that you wanted. It could be appointment for an authenticated user or a canceled service appointment, confirmation email, or maybe like support new assignment, and a lot. It's up to you. There's a lot of options that you can choose from here. But I wanted to do is to click on the new template. Now, you can choose the type of email template you would like to create. It could be text, HTML using classic letterhead, custom without using classic letterhead, or visual force. What I wanted to do is click on the text, all right, and click on next. Now here on the select field tab, you can choose anything here from account fields, asset, campaign, case fields, and a lot more, all right? But for now, just leave it as it is and select the field that you wanted. It could be a contact ID, do not call an email. Now on this one, you can choose the folder that you wanted to work with. It could be the unified public classic email templates, or you can put it under your personal email templates. All right. If you click on this option, you can click on it and you can simply name the email template something like maybe Andy's Guides. Okay, and then just leave everything as it is. You can put in, of course, your message. Maybe like subject, email body. Once you've set that up, the next thing that you need to do is click on save. Now, once you're happy with it, I need you to click on save. Just wait for it to be saved, and now we are ready here. Now, again, if you're not happy with the the plain text preview, you might wanna click on this and put in some more information. Just click on edit. All right, so it's available for use. All right, after that, the next thing that you need to do is, now if you wanted, you can also attach some file for your email template that has been already created. Click on this button and just choose the file, but remember the file cannot be larger than 5 MB. Click it and click on done. Now, once the file has been loaded, you can simply edit, delete, or view. If you click on view, what will happen is this is the file that has been attached to your email template. All right. Now, once you are here, I need you to go to the tab where you can see the outreach. All right. So leads, accounts. If you don't have the outreach tab here, what I want you to do is hover to the quick setup. on the upper right corner, we need to enable the outreach list tab, all right, on this, because it does not appear, so that we can use the email template that we have already created. Click on setup, just wait for it to load, and from here I need you to type in the on the quick find. I want you to click on profiles. There you go, click on it, just wait for it to load. Now you see you need to select the user and from the profile. All right, now I'm gonna use the end user here. Click on edit. Now from the bottom, which is click edit to the next profile assigned to the agents, and go to the tab settings here. All right, and I want you to select default on from the outreach list drop down. So you can press Ctrl plus F to find it, outreach. Now, if you can't find the outreach here, that means it could be two things. You are using a classic Salesforce, because the outreach list tab is only available on the enterprise, professional, starter, and unlimited editions. Now, the thing is, you need to upgrade to one of these Salesforce subscription plan. Or of course, again, it's available. The outreach list tab is available on the enterprise, unlimited, and the Einstein One sales. If you're not sure, you might want to talk with the support staff or the sales professional right here. You can click on let's chat option, and you will be forwarded to one of the sales professional who are, of course, experts on the matter of the product pricing for you to be able to get the outreach tool in this tab. All right, now if you can't find the outreach here, you might want to click on the leads and add a new leads right here. All right, and of course after that you might want to put in the email template that you have already created. Once you've done that, you can manually go to your contacts here at the top, wherein you can send them one by one using the template email that you have recently created. All right, and of course creating email templates here not only saves you time but also ensures consistency and professionalism in your email communications with your partners and of course your stakeholders. Now the thing is, it aligns with teams, enhances customer interactions, and supports overall business objectives through their streamlined processes and improve engagement. Once you're happy with it, click and save option here, and then by delivering consistent, personalized communications, email templates contribute to a positive customer experience. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.